Welcome to the serene countryside of Sao Paulo, where we explore a stunning architectural gem, Casa das Arvores, or House of Trees. Designed for a couple and their young daughter, this project embodies their desire to embrace a higher quality of life, away from the hustle of the capital, while creating a welcoming space for family and friends. The house sits on a generously sized lot, just over 2,000 square meters. True to its name, Casa das Arvores was conceived with the original landscape in mind. The challenge? Harmonizing the design with the lush environment while preserving as many trees as possible. Let's dive into the design. The home's clever L-shape orientation ensures that the entertainment areas are centered around the lot, creating a lively nucleus for social gatherings. Meanwhile, the private spaces are nestled towards the side garden, offering a peaceful retreat. The entertainment zone, bathed in sunlight throughout the day, is designed to be the heart of the home. With its orientation parallel to the street, it seamlessly connects with the outdoor pool and lounging areas, making it perfect for weekend hosting and holiday celebrations. Upon entering the home, you'll find a dynamic layout. To the left, the living and dining areas offer a versatile space for daily living, while to the right, a gourmet area stands ready for culinary adventures. These spaces can be integrated or separated by a sleek glass division, providing flexibility and privacy as needed. Drawing inspiration from Le Corbusier's architectural promenade, the design features 5 suites aligned along a glass corridor. This unique arrangement enhances the experience of moving through the space, framing the outside view and creating a play of light and shadow. Blending seamlessly with its natural surroundings, the facade of Casa das Arvores is crafted from earth-tone materials. Solid brick in a darker hue, combined with brown-painted metal beams, creates a rustic yet sophisticated appearance. The design is both unique and delicate, mirroring the natural beauty of the lot. Casa das Arvores stands as a testament to thoughtful design, where architecture meets nature, and every detail is tailored to enhance the quality of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through a home that celebrates both simplicity and sophistication in the heart of Sao Paulo's countryside. See you next time.